Megatrends are deep-rooted transformative forces that reshape the future of the global economy. Investors can benefit from investing in these long-term structural shifts that will be future drivers of growth. We have identified these megatrends: China, artificial intelligence and innovation; the United States, sustainability and global healthcare. In this video, we explore global healthcare, one of the most attractive investment sectors today. Sizable societal, economic and technological forces are reshaping the healthcare industry and creating opportunities for investors. Many of these transformations may position healthcare stocks as an attractive megatrend investment theme. One powerful demographic trend driving the demand for healthcare is population aging, particularly in developed markets. Nearly 16% of the global population will be over the age of 65 by the year 2050. In North America, this number could hit 30%. As healthcare spends tend to increase sharply with age, the demand for healthcare services, drugs and medical devices should continue to rise over the next 30 years. Rising standards of living, increased connectivity and access to healthcare globally should also drive the sector's expansion. Meanwhile, there has been an explosion of innovation across biopharmaceuticals, medical technology and life science tools. The lowering costs associated with genetic research has also accelerated the pace of drug discovery and novel drug approvals. Major diseases like cancer, Alzheimer's, heart disease, and a host of genetic disorders are now being tackled using biomedical innovation. Promising new treatment approaches include immuno-oncology, which uses the body's immune system to identify and fight cancer; cell therapy, which transplants healthy cells into a patient to replace dysfunctional ones; and gene therapy, which could reverse the negative effects of a defective gene and has the potential to treat almost 100 devastating diseases. COVID-19 has accelerated the worldwide support for research on infectious diseases. Rapid diagnostics, vaccines, and treatment technology are likely to remain priorities for biotechnology and biopharma firms, fueling growth in life science tools. The global medical technology market is projected to grow by an estimated 5.5% yearly over the next 5 years. Advances in artificial intelligence, robotic surgery, remote diagnostics and monitoring are life-changing for patients and providers and should lead to cost reductions and broader use. Moving forward, healthcare will be increasingly delivered from hospitals to lower-cost settings like retail clinics and even in our homes. Digital healthcare such as telemedicine, point-of-care diagnostics and consumer technologies should enjoy lasting tailwinds from this shift. In the US, political and regulatory uncertainties may cause volatility in the healthcare sector. Healthcare services remain expensive in many countries, limiting growth. Lastly, not all drugs in development make it out of trial, and some treatments take longer than expected to reach the market, which may have an effect on a company's bottom line. Investors should invest in this sector over the long term, as structural drivers for this megatrend are already in place and should continue in the years ahead. While valuations and annual growth rates of the healthcare sector remains attractive relative to other sectors, investors should leverage on the experience of professional investment managers to distinguish between potential winners and losers within this sector. Speak to your UOB advisor on investing in the global healthcare megatrend.